Hi, welcome to this short Chidakasha Darana meditation practice. My name is Tony Myers, and I invite you to join me on this meditation to awaken higher awareness and to connect with the higher intelligence within. Chidakasha means inner space of consciousness. This space is the space behind your closed eyes. It's a seat of your higher self and a portal to inner peace, clarity, calm, and higher wisdom. Let's begin. Kindly find a comfortable meditation posture and make yourself absolutely comfortable. Guide your attention to the base of your meditation posture, connected and grounded with the earth, and then extend your head upwards to a clear blue sky above. Open your heart and rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. And when you're ready to do so, I invite you to just gently close your eyes. The next, we'll shift our attention to the natural breath. And I invite you just to watch your breath as it flows in and out at the nostrils. And just allow your breath to come back to its natural rhythm. We'll guide our awareness as we're focusing on the breath to the physical body. Just become aware of your meditation posture from the base to the top of the head. The next, I'd like you to imagine your awareness is outside of your body, and you can see your body reflected back in a full-length mirror. See your body from the front. We'll shift the mirror to the right side. Just see your body from the right side. See your body reflected back in the mirror from behind. The left side. Then see your body from above. We'll just let go of the body and come back to the natural rhythm of the breath. And as you're being aware of your breath, I'd like you to notice that you're breathing in air and your body is breathing in air. But there's something that is aware of the experience. It is not the body. It is not the air. It is the experiencer of the breathing. And this is your higher self, the Chidakasha, the witness of the breath. So with your next inhalation, I'd like you just to follow your breath in through your closed eyes to the space behind your eyes. And as you're focusing on the breath, just notice that you are the highest self. It is not the body. It is not the mind. It is the observer of the breath and the mind. And then with each inhalation, I'd like you to tap into this presence and become aware of it. The Chidakasha is a seat of your individual consciousness, your wise, calm, grounded higher self. So I invite you now to focus on the third eye, the Chidakasha, and just watch your mind with curiosity, kindness, and compassion. Let the content of the mind arise. Give your mind freedom. But for the next 8 breaths, we just watch the mind like we're watching a movie from the Chidakasha. And just let the content of the mind arise and observe it from the Chidakasha and the breath with kindness, compassion, and curiosity for the next few minutes. And I invite you just to contemplate on how you're feeling. And remember that the Chidakasha, this spaciousness, calm, deep, peaceful state that just witnesses and watches a mind from your highest self, is your inner sanctuary, and it's a place that you can return to anytime that you need to feel grounded, for clarity and connection. So let's start to transition back to the physical world now. Just becoming aware of your breath, the space around you. Become aware of the connection of the body in your meditation posture. We'll slowly start to return. With a sense of calm, connection, and the knowing that we can anytime tune into the Chidakasha, the seat of our individual consciousness, for high levels of wisdom, intuition, connection, and grounding.